Color. Black brand. LEADUWAY. Material. Plastic handle with metal teeth, pick your hair easily, skin-friendly metal teeth of comb, doing no harm to your scalp. Application. This hair pick is suitable for curly hair and straight hair, detangle wig braid hair, a good hair comb to help you to create a DIY hairstyle. Design. Fist pick for hair, fashion-forward design for this brand new metal picks for hair. Advantage. This metal hair pick is not rusty and always the best choice, meeting all demands, creating different hairstyle. Strong recommendation for curly and afro hair, combined use with a hair sponge. Professional hairstyling tools to detangle wig braid hair or men's styling comb. Suitable for all age customer who want have their own DIY hairstyle. Great kitchen tip or cooking hack to get nice neat slices. Indications. This hair pick with metal teeth is suitable for curly hair or afro hairstyle. Bring a special experience that you can have your own fashion hairstyle, more than one style, at anywhere anytime. Ingredients. Metal hair pick with black plastic handle, made from durable and reliable material, no damage to your hair and scalp. Directions. Using the hair pick will require a simple but effective technique. Follow the steps below. 1. Slightly damp the hair pick with water. 2. Apply some hair products throughout hair. 3. Brush your hair in an optional way, combing your hair what you want. Top reviews from the United States. Goodbye. Great price, fast shipping, sturdy product. Have ordered several as I keep losing them.